Hello Club Wyndham. We know that you cannot be in Bali at this moment to be with us, but we miss you and we look forward to welcoming you back very soon. In the meantime, we're going to bring Bali to your home. Today, our executive chef is going to share with you a very simple, easy how to make a Balinese Nasi Goreng. And you can do it at home and you can fill your kitchen with all the Balinese aroma. Are we ready, chef?
Ready?
Let's go.
Yeah. Hello, Club Wyndham. Let's cook. Today, I would like to make some simple tips for you. I will bring our cuisine at your home. Today I will make some Nasi Goreng ala Bali. The preparation for Nasi Goreng ala Bali, if you get some chili tomato paste, then also the bumbu Bali. Bumbu Bali is like a root spice. All our spice is grown in Bali, and all this is organic. Okay, the first is we reheat the first third pan. Then after that, I'm using the virgin coconut oil. This is our secret ingredient we have in Bali. Then I'm add some garlic, then carrot, then we reheat a little bit. Then add some minced chicken. This one I'm using the breast and also the leg of chicken. That's why the leg from the chicken we mix together with the breast gonna be a taste and the juicy is make the flavor gonna be rich for the nasi goreng. Then I'm add some rice. Then after that we mix those together here. Add with the egg. Why I put the egg so that the fried rice not gonna be stick in the table. Then we turn off the stove. Then now we can start to add some chili tomato paste, then bumbu Bali, the root spice, then add a little bit oyster sauce, then some little bit salt. Then we mix around 2 minutes until all the well mixed. Then after all the bumbu spice mixed together with the rice, then the last we add some vegetable and use the bok choy, then some cabbage also. So that why I put it in last, because the vegetables still fresh and crunchy. Then the rice is the color for a look mixed with the root spice, then chili tomato paste, then the aromatic is come out. Then this is the Bali nasi goreng. Then now I will start to plating. Right now we put in the small bowl. Okay. Then I put the top. That looks sexy for nasi goreng. today special item. Chicken wing. This special crackers from Bali, this I call the emping melenju. It's the from the melenju taste. Alright, this is our nasi goreng ala Bali. Then see you in Bali soon.